Are your wrists bothering you? Cool, let's get some wrist mobility and big toe mobility at the exact same time. Find your couch, get into a lunge position, and I want your fingers to face your body, and then you're gonna press the couch down and away from you. Now lift up onto the back toes, bend into that back leg, load the big toe, and then come back and relax. Now make sure that you are not leaning out to the pinky toe side. You want majority of the weight over the ball of that big toe. And as you lunge up, you want to make sure that you're pressing the couch away. So you don't want your shoulders to shrug in towards you. Press the couch away from you as you bend back into that big toe. Try it one more time. Lift up, come back, straighten the leg, and then we're going to switch sides. Now, opposite leg is in front, pressing the couch again away from you, being careful that you're not locking out your arms. So you want your arms straight, but you don't want to hyperextend into the elbows. Then you're going to lift up onto the back toes, press and bend into the ball of the big toe. See how it goes out to the pinky toe side here? You don't want to do that. You want to shift the weight right into the center of the ball of that big toe and bend and load into that big toe, working on active mobility here for your wrists and your big toe.
Hey, I'm Ash, your holistic trainer and founder of Fit in Minutes. And if you like this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. That way you get an alert every single time a new video drops. Every video here on this channel is 8 minutes or less to help support you so that you no longer have to feel like health is something you have to schedule in, but instead it fuses with your day. You'll find workouts that you can do anytime, anywhere, wearing anything. That requires zero equipment, very little space, and whatever environment you're in. You're gonna find mindset tips to help you overcome hurdles and obstacles, allow you to follow through even when you feel like motivation or consistency or time is a struggle. My goal is to help you build a body you feel confident in, one you can rely on, one that takes you with you wherever you're going in life. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.